Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Otterbox Defender XT series case for your beautiful S24 Ultra. If you haven't used Otterbox before, I don't know where you have been. They make some great cases. They give you a lot of protection for your devices. I have been using the Otterbox cases for many different phones now for many different years. I usually use the Defender Pro. The XT is like between the Defender Pro and maybe like a Symmetry or Commuter case. It gives you the protection. It's a two-piece case, so it gives you that drop protection that you look for, but it's not just as heavy duty as, say, the Defender Pro. I need to give a shout out to Otterbox for sending these cases out to me for a review. Like we normally do, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? How do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection around here? How are the buttons? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. If I haven't said it before, you can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up if you want to. But nice packaging from them. It says Defender XT series, Otterbox, drop plus protection there. But let's see what you get. Put this out. So like I said, it's a two-piece case. So this can be an instruction video. I think it has instructions in here too. You can get an install video when you pick it up. But here you go. First thing I noticed, shows off the beauty. It will attract fingerprints though. You also have a lot of grip. I felt the grip when I was pulling it out the case. But you do have a lot of grip. So it's a two-piece case. So it looks right here to pull, maybe. I just seen that. So you want to be careful though. You don't want to break it. So what you're going to do is once you have the pieces apart, you just slap your phone in here. And then what you want to do is work the top around. Be very careful you don't break it. You can start on the sides and then work around. Just push this all the way in there. The corner is probably going to be the worst part, and this little part here. Let's see. Not too bad. Get that around that corner there. Get that around that corner. So, look. I didn't speed this video up. And it's in there already. So, you will get a lot of drop protection. And it does add bulk, man. I mean, it does add a little bit of weight to it. Makes your phone a little bit bigger, but look at the camera protection you get. And then the lip protection all the way around it. Then there are not many cases that will give you that lip protection. You have the Otterbox logo there. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is easy to get out. You even have a little flap for the charging part and the microphone. I know some people cut these off, but it's up to you if you want to. You have the grip on this side too. So if you drop it, drop your phone, you don't have to worry about it popping out or anything like that. It gives you that protection. I love the grip though. And then also at the top. So if you drop your phone using this case, I feel sorry for you because it has a lot of grip, y'all. And then look how much it shows off the beauty. Just imagine your phone sitting in here. Now it will attract fingerprints, so you just have a little cloth here, wipe it down, and then it looks beautiful again. Let's see, the power button. Nice and tactile. The vine rockers feel nice and easy to press. If you have problems with your buttons, you may not have the case installed correctly. So make sure you install it correctly too. Make sure you have the rubber piece all the way around it. But this is definitely a nice case. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. So it checks off a lot of boxes. The buttons are good. You have a lot of camera protection on here, which, you know, a lot of people worry about the display on here. I mean, the display protection. Also, the camera protection on there. Now, some people don't want to add bulk to their phone, so if you want a simple case, this is not it. If you like MagSafe charging, this is not too, but you can wireless charge without any problems, but it just doesn't have MagSafe, so MagSafe is not it. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.